everyone. It's a lovely Sunday in the middle of October. Let's harvest our persimmons with us today. Here is our persimmon tree. We planted most of our fruit trees at the back on the retaining wall area, as we show in our spring garden tour video. You can find the link of that video in the description. This is a fuyu persimmon tree, the most popular Japanese variety with sweet flavor, and it's crispy like apple. Now my husband will give you more information about this tree. It's his birthday gift to me, as I used to live in Japan and fell in love with Japanese persimmons.
Alright, so here is our 2-year-old fuyu persimmon. Our first attempt at growing a fuyu persimmon didn't go so well. This is our second tree here, but this one clearly done much better, maybe too good. As you can see, it's a little off to the side. We were so concerned about how it would do that we kind of let more than should probably grow. So we'll have to thin it out next time a little bit better, but that's okay. It's alive. It produced greatly. Last year it produced 2 persimmons, clearly much better. So overall, huge success with that. So we're very happy for having that success, but it is kind of the leaning tower of Pisa, the leaning tower of persimmon. But overall, quite happy with it. Maybe 3 dozen, yeah, probably about 30 plus, 30 to 40, somewhere in there. And they're all pretty good size. Some are a little bit smaller than others, but that's okay. Next year, though, I think we'll want to be a bit better at thinning out because it is very, very leaning. We'll do some pruning later to help encourage it. We were a little greedy this year with, that's okay. It's okay. We're learning.
Okay, let's harvest.
Sounds good.
Last 2. Wow.
Overflowing.
Oh my God.
We're very happy with this year's crop, and after weighing, we got 7.8 pounds organic homegrown persimmons this year.
Alright, we didn't count as we harvested, so let's see how many we actually got this year. Already for sure more than last year, but more, go rows of, let's say 10. 5, 9. First 10. 2, 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Oh, wow. Wow. Go. Rock. Shitch. 30. We still have all this, so we underestimated. Oh, hi. Oh, no. So that's 40 right there, plus these 4. So 44 that were left on the tree, and we harvested a 3 beforehand to test out and see if they were ready to harvest. So 44 plus 3, 47 persimmons. And we'll pretend that they're all roughly the same size. Be interesting to see if the flavor of the different sizes has any difference. But overall, pretty good size. Very successful compared to last year. Did again have maybe too many on the tree. It leaned a bit. We'll have to do some corrective pruning and be a bit better with thinning next year. But maybe if we thin a bit better next year, they'll all be at least this size, maybe even bigger. So you'll have to check back in with us next year, 2025 in the fall. And hopefully we have at least as good of a harvest, maybe bigger persimmons as well.
Wow.
Sounds like a nice crunch.
Yeah. And it have a taste. Okay. Crunchy, sweet.
So hopefully you enjoy harvesting persimmon with us. If you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel for more videos, and turn on the notification to know when I upload a new video. Thank you, and see you in the next video.